Hey everyone! If you've been using Pocket Option but have decided it's time to move on, closing your account is actually pretty straightforward. But it's important to follow the steps carefully to make sure everything is done properly. First, log into your Pocket Option account and head over to your profile page. This is where all your personal account settings are located. Once you're in the profile section, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You'll notice a button labeled Delete Account. This is the option you'll need to click if you want to permanently close your account. Pocket Option will then guide you through a series of instructions to confirm that you really want to delete your account. Make sure to read everything carefully during this process because account deletion is permanent. So before you take this step, it's crucial to make sure that you've withdrawn all your funds. Any remaining balance in your account will be lost once the deletion is complete. Double-check your transaction history and ensure that all pending withdrawals have been processed so you don't lose any money. After confirming the deletion, your account will be permanently closed and you won't be able to log in again or recover any data, so be sure that this is what you truly want to do. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future tutorials on Pocket Option, trading tips, and other helpful platform guides. This way, you'll stay updated and never miss a step when managing your trading accounts.